Hello my good people, so today we are going to make the bikini top, and these are the materials that we are going to use. We are going to use winterking, yellow and white, 4mm hook and scissors. So let's start. For the breakup, this is how it's going to appear, and this person wears size medium. What we are going to be keen on is this part for increases. So let's start. We will start with a slip stitch. We chain that in. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and then 13. So after chaining 13 on this stitch here, we do a single crochet. This is 1 2 3 and then 12. So this is how it is. We are going to chain 1 and then you turn your work. At this very first stitch here, you will make a single crochet. So we are going to use single crochet, mesh stitch and a slip stitch on this bikini top. So at this point here, we are going to do the increase. So we have done 10 single crochet, 11 single crochet, and on the 12th, that's where we are going to do our increase, and this is how you do an increase. You single crochet, chain 1 and then repeat on the same stitch, make a single crochet. So we are going to insert our stitch marker here, and on our case we are going to use the yarn as the stitch marker. So we continue with the same single crochet. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. You chain 1, you turn your work, and on the very first stitch you put a single crochet until where our stitch marker is. We are at the stitch marker. You will remove your stitch marker and then you do another increase, single crochet, chain 1 and another single crochet. So again you insert your stitch marker and continue with the same pattern. Do not forget to skip this very first stitch here. So you do the single crochets downwards. So at this point here, we are going to change the color of the yarn. So this is how you change. So you insert it like this and then you tighten it. So we don't need to cut the white yarn because we will be changing. We do the single crochet. Ensure this white part it's downwards. So we will chain one. We will do single crochet up to where our stitch marker is. We are at the stitch marker. You remove the stitch marker. You do a single crochet, chain one, and then you repeat a single crochet. So from here you are going to insert again your stitch marker and then continue with the same pattern. Do not forget this very first stitch here. So this is the pattern we are going to work on. And this is the easiest way to make a bra cap. So let's work on this yellow part. I will meet you where I will change the white part. We are at this point, so I made this yellow part. I made 4 rows. So we are going to change the color, and this is how we change it. You yarn over the white color and then make sure it is loose. The white yarn is loose, but the yellow you can tighten it. You chain one, turn your work, and to this very first stitch here you make a single crochet. So let's meet at this stick marker. Remove the stitch marker and then do a single crochet, chain one, a single crochet again. Insert your stitch marker here and then we will continue with the same pattern. Don't forget this very first stitch here because it's very important. We will continue with the single crochet. We continue with the same patterns. So for this color white, we are going to do 4 rows, and then we change our color, our yarn color again. So you chain one and then you start row 2 of the white part. So for the bikini bottom, I've already made it. It's on my channel. I will leave the link on the comment section. You go and watch the bikini bottom. Ensure you have subscribed so that you don't miss such a tutorials like this and anytime I am uploading them. We are at the end of our breakup. So this is how it looks like, and you can see they are the same size with the previous one. So if you are making a size medium, you are going to have a total number of 14 rows. So this is 4 times 3, 12. All this part here, it is 4. So our middle is here. So 4 divided by 2, it is 2. So they are 14. This is where our middle is. So this is how it looks like. I am sure you love it. You like it the way I've loved it already. So let's continue for the rest of our top.